Lucy, do you have to go potty? Potty? Lucy, where's the cat? Cat? Is it over there? Is it over there? Lucy, where's Kitty-Bug? Where's Kitty-Bug? You miss Kitty-Bug. Do you miss Dory? Do you miss Grandma and Grandpa? Grandma and Grandpa? You love Grandma and Grandpa, don't you? Do you want to go potty? Do you want to eat your dinner? Go potty? Do you need to go trickles, Lucy? Lucy, do you need to go potty? Do you? You good girl? You miss Grandma and Grandpa? Where's Daddy? Lucy, where's Daddy? Is he sleeping? Cat. Where's the cat? Lucy, where's the cat? Not here. Yeah, there is no cat, sorry. You're a pretty girl. Say bye, Lucy.